Good morning, Eric. It's Robert. I'm good to see you inside Slack. Thanks for bringing it in. Please bring Misty in. I'm dressed a little casual today because it's my birthday, and I'm going to try to. I'll keep working, but try to, I don't know, give myself a little bit of a break. Something that I've learned as a course creator, and I've learned as a leader of CourseCREEK over the last 7 years is, truth is, when it comes to making online courses, there really isn't sort of a midway. It's not like choosing a restaurant or buying a car or getting airline seats where you have the first class seats and you got the coach seats, and then you got something in the middle that's nice but isn't as nice as the full out best practice. When it comes to producing online courses, it's either, honestly, and I'm not just trying to upsell you, it's not the case. I'm really coming at you from a genuine perspective of good advice learned through years of doing this, that with courses, just like with other artistic endeavors, like making an album or making a movie, there's something unique about movies, albums, recordings, making a course, which is a creative endeavor, that when you do it, you go as far in with the highest quality that you can. You bring in the best actors you can afford. You bring in the best director you can afford. You bring in the best special effects you can afford. You go to the best on-location shoot sites that you can afford to get to, and you go. And that's just the nature of creative endeavors, making creative things, online courses, movies, albums, things of that nature. If you knowingly, consciously sort of try to go cheap and try to go, budget, it always ends up being amateur, cheap, and you just regret it. Why? One of the big reasons for this is because the consumer, the customer that buys the album, the video, the online course, expects to be edutained, expects it to be amazing. There's something about art and creative endeavors where the consumer can even go for paintings. The consumer expects it to be amazing. Isn't that true? When you think about art, you go into a movie or you listen to a new album or whatever, or even if you go into a museum and you look at art, your expectation is that it's amazing, that it's going to be mind-blowing, that it's not going to be noticeably done in a way to be cheap and to kind of be semi-half-assed. It just doesn't work that way. Anyways, I'm getting a bit esoteric, but I just want to share this with you about the reality of the situation. And it's another way of just letting you know that what you're thinking about doing is a creative endeavor. We're gonna get creative together. We're gonna make something really cool and very effective, of course. It's gonna be good business for you. And by the way, if you're making Star Wars, you're gonna do good business, right? So the consumers expect it to be dazzling. They expect it to be beautiful when it comes to art. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for you. Have a good day. I'll see you out at Slack. And as you can see, the team's already taking care of you. Thanks. Bye.